In a strong political statement, the Deputy Chief Minister has accused the central government of attempting to crush democracy through proposed amendment bills. The Deputy CM claimed that these legislative changes are an effort by the ruling party to consolidate power and that the BJP is replicating the East India Company's rule. India has deployed 3 additional battalions of the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The reinforcement is reportedly intended to bolster security and to maintain order in the region. A security breach was reported at the National Parliament building after a man was successfully nabbed by security personnel after securing the outer wall. The man was immediately taken into custody for questioning to determine his identity, motive, and whether he poses any further threat to the high security zone. A new report highlights a troubling pattern of persecution against religious minorities in India. The news story is accompanied by hashtags like religious minorities under attack and Modi persecute minorities, state that these communities are living under a constant state of siege. A disturbing incident has come to light in Tamil Nadu, where a Dalit youth was reportedly kidnapped and subjected to a brutal act of humiliation. He was allegedly forced to bow down to a group of upper caste men, highlights the persistence of caste-based violence and discrimination in the region despite constitutional protection. Another act of violence, a young Muslim man was brutally attacked by a Hindutva mob in India's Uttar Pradesh. The attack, which appears to be religiously motivated, adds to the growing list of incidents where individuals from minority communities are targeted by vigilant groups. A student leader at Aligarh Muslim University (AMU) has been booked by authorities for raising pro-Palestine slogans during a recent protest on campus. The move has sparked a debate over freedom of expression and the rights of students to protest on politically sensitive issues.